Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share Koose or Akara recipe with you, and you will love every bit of it. And so my dear, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like this video for me, share, and also leave a comment. And so what we are going to do is we are going to first wash our beans. Just take the bad ones from it and then wash it very well. Okay, so I'll wash it, then I'll soak it for at least 1 hour. Yes, I'll soak it at least 1 hour. So I'm just adding water and I'll leave it there for 1 hour or 2 hours, and that'll be okay. And so this is it. After 1 hour, you should be able to peel the skin off it. But if you like, don't peel the skin. You can leave the skin on it and use it. But I will peel the skin, and I'm going to use blender for it. So I'll pour everything into the blender and I'll pulse it. When I was pulsing, I pulsed it too much, so I ended up almost blending my beans. So when you are doing it, don't pulse it too much. Just once, then you take off your hands. I left it on for some time and I almost blended my beans, and so I have to divide it into 2 sessions and do one and then do the other by. So this is it after. And so at this point I'm going to take the chaff from it. I'll pour the excess water. While I'm pouring the water, it will come along with some of the chaffs. So I will still be adding water to it and be pouring, and also try and use my hands to take away the skin of the rest that couldn't come out. So that's what I'll be doing till I get it all. So you can see some of the chaff on the surface. So I'll add water and pour. Please click on the notification bell. It helps. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified that there's a new video for you to watch. So try and click on the notification bell. Do well to share this video for me, and also like this video. Leave a comment. Let me know if you also have another way of doing this. Share your idea with me and let's learn together. Okay, so these are some of the chaffs, and I also use the colander to work on it to get more of it out. And so this is it. It took me time to do this because of the way I paused it. So at this point, I'm going to make use of these vegetables: onions, pepper, spring onions, and bell pepper. So I'm going to add my pepper to the beans in the blender. And I'm going to slice 2 of the onions and add it to it, and also slice 2 of the bell peppers and add it to it. And I'm going to add salt to taste. So add the salt according to your taste. Okay, and we are going to blend this. So I'll add water to it and blend. Now you are blending this in a paste form, so you don't need too much water, just a little, and that will be okay. And so we'll blend everything. So we are blending. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Share this video for me, like, and leave a comment as well. Okay, and so we are blending. And so this is it. So I'm going to divide it into 2. One of them I'm going to use eggs, so I'll divide it into 2, and I'm going to whisk the first one a bit with my food processor. You can use your hand whisk to do this. I just whisk it for about a minute or like 40 seconds, and that'll be okay. Yes, and then this is the second batch, and I'm going to add eggs to it. So this is the first one that I whisked. Yes, so the second batch I'm going to add eggs to it, and I use 2 eggs, but you should use 1 egg. 1 egg will be okay. Because I used 2 eggs, it was too much for me. The beans I used, the quantity is 1.5 cup. That is Ghana 1.5 cup. And so I'm going to whisk this. So I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box for you. You can refer to it. Okay, and I'm pouring that one also. As I said, you can make use of 1 egg and that'll be okay. So I decided to fry one with eggs, and one I'm going to fry it like that. So I'm going to add some seasoning to it. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'm using all-purpose seasoning. I'll add it to both. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like this video, share for me, and leave a comment. And I'm going to add my veggies also to it. Okay, so add the veggies, and then we'll mix or stir everything together. And while you are doing this, you have your oil on fire. Yes, your oil should be ready on fire, and you're not going to fry this on a high heat. It should be medium heat and allow it to fry or relax itself and fry very, very well. Okay. Okay, so we have our oil and we are frying the eggless one, the one without egg. We are frying that one first. So just with my spoon, scoop a little and then straight into the hot oil. Just make sure you don't split it. So you do it this way in kakakaka. Please subscribe, okay? Click on the notification bell. It helps. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. If you don't click on the notification bell, you won't know. There will be videos there for you to watch and you won't know. So click on it. Okay. So I'll be turning, so when you scoop and then scoop it into the oil, you don't leave it. Just be there and be turning it because it will cook fast. So you just have to be turning it so that one part will not be burnt. Okay, and so I added few drops also to the oil, and at this point I'm still turning. Okay. So I'm going to take the ones that are already cooked. So when it turns into golden brown, you know that it's ready. Yes, it's ready. And so I'll just get my paper towel and then take the cooked ones and then straight to the paper towel. So I have to allow the others to cook, but I'm also going to add some few drops to it and then cook it. So I'm done frying these ones. So I'm going to fry the one with eggs also. So that one I'll use my ladle, scoop and then place it in, or drop it in. So this one too is ready. Yes, ready. When you whisk it, it makes it fluffy for you. But if you like, you will not whisk it. You can just fry it straight away without whisking. But when you whisk it a bit, it becomes fluffy and you will love it. Okay. Okay, so our Koose or Akara is ready. So we are done frying all. Yes. Okay, so this is it. The one without egg. The eggless Koose or Akara. Ghana we say Koose, the Nigerians say Akara. And this is the one with the egg. You will love it. They all taste great. And you will love it. You will love it. Ankasa, ankasa, ankasa. Okay, so this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, share this video, like, click on the notification bell, leave a comment, and watch out for another awesome recipe. Bye bye.